There are 3 things we all do every day,
and we could all be doing them better.
Eat, move, and rest.
We're Dusty, Aaron, Max, and Bo, and we're the Stanzics.
We aspire to live a plant-centric, faith-forward, healthy lifestyle and welcome all of the adventures that accompany it. Join us every week as we blend, chop, juice, run, lift, ride, and master our minds in between on the ultimate quest to find better balance, deeper connection, and true happiness within. Hey you guys, Aaron and Max here, and welcome back to Eat, Move, Rest. So the other day when Dusty was out of town, I got a little bored, we got a little lonely, and we got a little hungry. So we made our own version of veganized caramel delights. So these are a Girl Scout favorite of mine that I grew up with. You guys probably love them too. It's really quick and easy to make, so let's go right into it. Here's what you're gonna need. You're gonna need 1 cup of soaked pitted dates. This is about 10 to 12 dates. 1 cup of rolled oats, 3 tablespoons of almond butter, 3 tablespoons of shredded coconut, 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla flavoring, and about a 1/2 cup of vegan dark chocolate chips. So remove any rings. This recipe is extremely simple, but a little bit messy. But that's okay. So all we're gonna do is pour all of our ingredients, minus the chocolate, into a bowl, mush it, mash it, till it's ooey gooey and one solid consistency, and then we're going to place them onto our baking sheet, pop them in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 12 minutes, making sure to check them often. Take them out, let them set for 5 minutes at room temp, and you can enjoy. After they're done in the oven, we will top them with our melted dark chocolate, pop them in the freezer so they can harden a little bit, and you are good to go. Oats, dates, coconut, vanilla flavoring, add a crack of salt if you desire, and our nut butter. So now we're just gonna form these into tablespoon-sized balls and flatten them out on our parchment paper, pop them in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes, and check them often just to make sure that they're not burning. So these are definitely baby and kid friendly. Especially for a baby though, you might want to omit the chocolate, so I'm gonna leave a couple plain for Max.
Dan.
Next step is to flatten all of your dough balls into cookies and place them in the oven again for 10 to 12 minutes, checking often. Next, we're going to melt our chocolate down on our stove top. You'll probably only want it to be at medium-low temperature, and keep a close eye on it because once it starts to melt, you can stir it and it goes quickly. All right, so while our chocolate is warm and ready to be drizzled, let's drizzle. So sometimes the chocolate chips are a little bit more difficult to drizzle. You can just dunk your cookies in them. Another option would be to use cacao paste. So this is completely unsweetened. It's just raw cacao. It's gonna be the healthiest form. It's gonna be a little bit bitter, but trust that the cookies are plenty sweet to overpower any bitterness from the dark chocolate. So, insider tip, if you have a little bit of extra melted chocolate, go ahead and throw some pitted dates in, mix them and let them get good and chocolatey, and then pop those bad boys in the freezer, and they are the best after dinner treat. Cookies are ready to eat. Are you ready to dig in, buddy? All right, you guys, here you have it. These are our vegan caramel delights, ready to eat. I don't know if they're gonna last more than a couple days on the countertop. We're looking forward to them. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me some love in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and make sure you've got that bell clicked to turn on your notifications. As always, you can follow Dusty and I daily on Instagram at Aaron Stanzik and at DB Stanzik. Until next time, eat, move, rest, your best. Bye, guys.
Say bye.
Say bye. Are you ready to eat? What you fellas doing?
We're just going for a jog. Cameraman goals. Say cheese.
Magic of videoing.